starting with, man. Yes, Dialacut Barbers in the place. If you don't know, get to know. This is what we do all day, every day. Boom.
Dylan! You son of a bitch!
Frame and we'll get in there.
Oh, well, you're gonna edit it afterwards. Yeah.
Okay, so it's the introduction to the video, so we'll just say all the bits and we can just cut it however we want.
Yeah.
How's it going, YouTube? Retro Bar Brothers here. This clip here that we're going to put up now is going to be a couple shots we done from a last trim that we got here with my man Dialacuts. Introduce yourself, bro.
Yes, my name's Dialacuts. Been in the industry now for 29.5 years. Loving the craft, specialising in Afro and European haircuts. And as I always say, if you don't know, get to know. Boom.
He's going to have his link down in the description box, Instagram. If you haven't seen him, go and check him out. And as we like to say, for those of you who've not come down and got your fresh cut from Dialacuts before, you need to book him in, get down here, and see what he's trying to say.
Boom. Set on. So if you don't know about them tools, get to know. Yes, Dialacuts in the place, man. If you don't know, as I always say, get to know. I'm blending it out now. You got to make sure you always do your prep work. Looking at the shape of the head, that's quite important. His occipital bone is right here. So I've got to make sure that phase sits right here. It's like building shape to suit your client. So you have to flow with the natural shape of your head. See, cutting hair is technical. So when clients sit in the chair now, we're just like, right, okay, this is what I want. I'm like, okay, can it be achievable? That's the main thing, can it be? And if it can't be achievable, what we're gonna do? Don't wanna disappoint the client. So the best way around it is to educate the client and sit down and speak with the client and show him the possibilities, what can work and what can't work. Rather educate the client than to give them something that's not going to fit them. We've got to think about the shape of the head to how the style is going to fit them, how we're going to build up the shape so it all sits down correctly. That's the importance of cutting hair. And as you can see here, I had that texture that I had to deal with. It's very, hair follicles grow far apart, making it slightly harder for me even to style. Did you understand? But as an experienced barber, you've got to learn how to deal with it.
That's it.
Best way you can.
That's it. Yeah.
That's how we deal with it.
That's how we do around here.
That's how we do.
That's how we do.
And if you don't know, get to know. Boom.